This is my first, what is it? Mukbang. Now, mukbang. What this is, and I'm going to leave you the recipe too. It's hash brown casserole. It's not my first time eating it, but I want to share it with you because it's really good. And I'm eating it, so I just thought, why not? By the way, do you guys like my new glasses? These are my reading glasses. Tell me what you think about them. You can be honest. If you don't like them, that's cool. I do. I just thought I'd share that with you. These are new. Enables me to see things up close better. But anyway, let's get back to this. So anyway, I've always liked to eat. I love food. Good food. You know, I like convenient food too, as I call it. But this is really good. So anyway, this is hash brown casserole, and it's really good. It's potato, hash browns, of course, cheese, onions, sour cream, and cream of chicken soup. And when you put this all together and bake it in the oven, believe me, it's very good. And I'll leave you the recipe so you can enjoy it as well. This is right up my alley. Because I do enjoy eating. It's so good. Quite honestly, I could polish off a pan of this on my own. If you like potatoes and if you like cheese, this is good. This is cheddar cheese, but I guess you could use any kind of cheese you like. Swiss, Parmesan, whatever. But this is extra good. And then the cheese, when you're making it, it's around the side and it gets super crispy. It's so good. Crispy goodness, I call it, because it is. Can you guys see that? Look at those potatoes. Can you see the cheese in there? I doubt you can see the onions, but oh my gosh. It's so good. My daughter's looking at me like I'm some kind of nut. It's okay. They know. Yes, and I've had quite a bit of experience, as you can see. No judging the hair, all right? I got from doing the porcelain slide, as I call it, taking a shower, taking a little bathy boot, and it's doing its own thing. Shouldn't be touching my hair while I'm eating. I apologize. Anyway. This is so good. I can't say I'd had this until the past, I don't know, 6 months. This is new to me. But just the same, it's so good. Here, so you guys can see it one more time. Look. Oh my gosh. Sadly, I'm coming up on the last bite. It breaks my heart. But honestly, it's so good. So if you'd like to try it, I'm going to include the recipe. And you guys try it and see how you like it. It's worth it. It's very easy to make, but the ingredients blend and marry together so well. I dare you to not have a double serving. It's just not possible. It's that good. It's so good, you'll want to go back for seconds. But anyway, let me know if there's something you guys want me to try. I'm thinking some kind of burger next time, burger and fries, something like that. Or Arby's has this new pork sandwich. Might do that. But anyway, thanks for joining me, and I'll talk to you guys later.